You guys like my hat?
What hat?
You guys asked me at the same time. You guys okay?
Okay.
Are you snorting coke again, Kristen?
Do you have any kings?
Are you snorting coke?
Kings!
It's not your turn, and are you snorting coke?
Kings! Someone go!
It's not your turn.
You're snorting coke.
Someone
aren't
go!
you? You're snorting coke.
Someone goddamn go.
Melinda,
I'm
do you
going
have
to
any
sit.
sevens?
What
you.
the heck?
Thanks. Say what? Since I got what I asked for, I get to take something from the pot. Pot. Okay. Kristen, do you have any eights?
Oh, hey, I got a match of 8. I'm putting that down.
Do you have any eights?
I do. I just
Do you,
put them
do you
down.
have any more?
No! But there's a match!
Then I'll go fish.
Do you have any 2s?
You know what? What is the capital of Milwaukee?
Milwaukee's not even a state.
It totally
What are you
is.
talking about?
I'm serious. It's a
No.
state. There are 56 states, and Milwaukee is one of them.
There's only 50 states.
There's 56. Whatever.
There's
What
51.
what is the capital?
Isn't Cuba a state?
What's the capital of
No.
Milwaukee?
They have our currency.
You guys are wrong.
Kristen, what is the capital of
Can I have the
Milwaukee?
grape Knox, please?
You know what? Take it.
Fuck you!
Take the green
You're
on
welcome.
and answer my question. What is the capital of Milwaukee?
It's not a state.
Gosh, what's the
Maybe.
capital?
I don't know.
You don't know. Really?
I don't.
How do you not know?
No!
You should know the state's capitals.
There's only 50 states.
There's 56 and Milwaukee is one of them.
Nuh-uh.
I can prove it. I have an atlas.
Who carries around
You
an
can't.
atlas with them?
Jesus.
You're crazy.
Nerd much?
You're nerd.
You're nerd. Go
I agree with her.
You're nerd.
See, right here. Milwaukee is a state.
It seems pretty convincing. Look at that.
There's a freaking sticky note in the book.
It's not.
right here in the
It's printed
atlas.
on the book. You just broke my atlas.
Milwaukee isn't a
You
It
ripped
is.
a page out of her atlas, dude. That's not cool. You owe her one. You owe her.
You know what?
You know what? I'm gonna take my horoscope.
No one likes you. Go do that. No one likes you. You fail at
You
life.
fail.
I'll show you.
Failure.